Hello everyone, welcome to another Get Into Cosplay video, as usual. Today we are going to get into Soda, because it's been a while and I've been wanting to get into cosplay here for a while, because I've been wanting to take like the actual photo that, his like profile photo, because I got like the stuff here to do that with, so I'm going to try that out. But we are going to go ahead and I'm going to put the headpiece on. So I have glued my eyebrows with school glue, that way when I put the foundation it will cover some of it. And I am just going to use the foundation, and basically I'm just going to pat it on my eyebrows and all around my face. That's it. So once you got that done, we'll move on to the next step. Now after we have the foundation on, we need setting powder. This is setting powder. And you just rub that on. So, now I like to use this, but first I'm going to contour the areas that need to be contoured. Cheek, nose, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. You can do it either way you want on how you would want him to look. So here are the areas I'm going to be contouring in. I will be using this for my cheeks and down below. And I'm going to use the back of the foundation brush and get that in. So, I have now contoured it in. I don't like to go deep contour like some cosplayers. It kind of bothers me. So, now I am just going to use my blush. And I like to use the foundation, the actual foundation brush for it. I don't use foundation, of course, I use it for this. So, now, the only reason why I like to put blush on Soda, even though he's a guy, is because he blushes a lot because he's a simp. And secondly, he does have a girlish undertone, and it's just cute. Now we are going to use pink eyeshadow, and we are going to do the eyebrows. Now, so usually the guy's eyebrows are thinner, so that's why I made his thin, and then I'm also going into the crease of my nose, also where I had blended it. I am going to take this eyeliner, and I am going to mark where I have so as you can tell, I am not good with eyeliner. I suck. It gets me angry. Now I'm going to use this, which makes your eyes more anime-ish. Makes them bigger. Now, I am going to add, his eyes are pink, so I'm going to add even more pink. This is the outfit. The makeup's actually really simple for him. It looks so good. I love it. So here's the outfit. I bought the Canon outfit. I did add like a little bit of dirt, which is so easy to do with brown or black eyeshadow, and then you just rub it on there. That's all I did. This is the wig with it. Here's the hat. I have pins. I also have elf ears in. and these teeth, which I had to put together myself, my choker, my hand painted screwdriver, just some of these, my off-white belt that looks like caution tape. And I made this because I wasn't about to pay that much money for this little gadget, so I made it myself and put it on here. I also have my red shoes. Of course, you wear different color shoes, but the red looks good. And I have tons of little things in the pocket, and I think it looks super cute. I really love it so much. Like, I'm so happy with the way the wig turned out. Soda is one of my favorite ones. Probably my 3 boys from V2, my 3 boys. And I think it's really cute. Hopefully this gave you a little idea of how I do my makeup and give you some help with yours. Makeup with yours. I really hope it did. I'll see you next video. I'll probably have a surprise, my dream cosplay and a surprise do-over. I would have done that with styling her wig. I'm not gonna say, but I didn't. But I'll probably redo. We'll probably buy another wig to make it a little bit longer too. But I'm not gonna talk about it. It's a surprise. Getting into cosplay, and I will see you all later. Bye.
Hey Hajime, it's me, Soda. I just want to let you know that I'm really straight. That time we spent together were totally bro moments. I'm not gay, Hajime. The matching underwear was just a bro thing. I'm not